if you wanna come roll with me, babe. I'm not your man, but I'll tell you how it's supposed to.
So the unit that I have here today is the Outre Perfect Hairline wig in the unit, well, the style, in the style Lana, and I got her in a 1B. So this wig is supposed to be like really, really good because you could wear it in like 4 different ways. So you could wear it half up, half down. You could wear it in a center part. You could wear it in a left part. And you could also wear it in a top knot. So that's really good. This is a fully hand-tied 13x6 front lace front wig. So yeah, so let's open her up and see what she looks like. So we open her up. As you can see, the lace is transparent and it looks like it's already pre-plucked. It has 2 clips to hold in the front and it has a lot of parting space, and it also has 1 clip in the back with a nice elastic band for extra grip. Alright, so this is what she looks like straight out of the box. She's very curly and very like wavy and full of bounce. Like, the hairline is pretty good. It doesn't look like I would need to do much to it, but yeah, she's pretty much already like done. But I'm gonna still do my little customizations and stuff to her. Probably comb her out a little bit, even though I like these, you know. But you know, we'll do a little customizations and then see how it looks after, because I still do want to do a little bit something to the baby hairs and everything, like make a little baby hairs and stuff. So yeah. So I already know that the wig already came pre-plucked, but I'm so stubborn and I want to do stuff myself. So I decided to pluck it myself to give it a more natural look.
For free, so I'ma show you how it feels when you're on. So just roll with me, baby. Take advantage of time. Free the stress from your mind. Relax and just unwind. So just roll with me, baby. Free the stress from your heart, girl. Give me a call if you wanna come roll with me, babe. I'm not your man.
Alright, so you already know how to do the baby hairs. Just take a thin layer of hair and just part that, and just take a scissors and cut it diagonal in the way of which you want the baby hairs to lay.
I'm not your man, but I'll tell you how it's supposed to be, babe.
So I took my Got To Be Glued hair gel in the black tube, and I used the old toothbrush because I can't find my actual edge brush to lay my edges. And no funny, y'all about to see me struggle on these baby hairs. This is like my least favorite part.
Your touch feel like a fire. Pour some Henny in my cup, you're my desire. Baby, I had to come check you, I can't deny ya. You're kinda fine now.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna take my free spray and spray the edges and then tie it down with a head wrap so that the edges could stay flat. Then I'm gonna take some oil and just shine up the hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna brush out the hair because I don't really like them curls that much. I want the curls to be like body wave-ish.
Never noticed, but girl, if I let you leave here alone, I know I won't see you forever, and you're gone.
Ooh, yes, hun. Look at them baby hairs. Soleil. Alright, so now it's time to cut the lace. Make sure that you cut this lace really, really close to the hairline, because you don't want that lace to show.
Your kiss does something to me. Every time it's like the chills flow right through me. Baby, you got me feeling like I'm in a movie. And girl, I wanna show you off 'cause you're a trophy. I love it how you always.
My braids look so terrible. But yeah, I'm gonna just put my freeze spray on my forehead, rub that in to make it less oily, then put some gel / glue on there to make sure that the wig can stick.
So just roll with me, baby. Take advantage of time. Free the stress from your mind. Relax and just unwind. So just roll with me, baby. Free the stress from your heart, girl.
I'm gonna add some Ghostbond glue to the sides for extra hold and then let that dry. And then I'm gonna move on to fixing up my baby hairs on my head and doing my sideburns.
Give me a call if you wanna come roll with me, babe. I'm not your man, but I'll tell you how it's supposed to be, babe. Girl, if you wanna roll, hit me on the phone. Girl, if you wanna roll, I'll pull up to your door. I'll scoop you in the ride. Hands all on your thighs, looking so divine. Happy that you're mine.
Y'all, do y'all see this wig? This looks amazing. Like, this is great. Like, look at that. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, okay. Okay, sis. Lana got it. Lana got it. You feel me? She got it. I'm about to try and see if I can put it in a side part and see how that looks. Hold on. Do y'all see this? Nah, I'm mad hype. Like, oh, my eyelash coming off. But do y'all see this wig? Like, do y'all see this? My eyelash was coming off. Hold on. Let me be back. Let me put this on and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, I am back. My reviews, my opinion. Let's see. I really like this wig. I could say that it's big head friendly. I don't have a big head, so I had to tighten it a little bit. But it's not too bad. Like, it's not too small and it's not like OD big, you know? But this wig, sis, is looking fire. The lace is pretty transparent. I can't see that. Like, if you're a darkie like me, girl, this is the wig for you. Like, I can't see that lace. Like, I can't see it. It's literally like, what lace? Like, this is good. Like, I'm feeling this. The side part is really working. Like, it's not even like you could do like a real side part like all the way back. Like, you really only have like this much of lace to work with. But this wig is still fire. Like, oh my god. But no, yeah, like, I would say this is good. Shedding. So it didn't shed much. Only when I was, oh, see, you can actually hear the tangles. So we're gonna get to that. So it didn't shed much. Only when I was actually plucking it, that's where the shedding was. Tangles. Now, it was a curly wig, so you do have to take in mind, and it's synthetic. So you do have to take in mind that it will have some like kinks here and there, but it's not too bad. Like, it's not like when you comb it, like you can't comb it out. Like, it's not bad like that. So I would say like this wig is pretty good for that. Like, I'm combing it, I'm brushing it right now, and it's not like too bad. Like, I can still get through it, which is really good. I don't know how it is to heat. I don't want to know because I want to keep these curls, but this wig is fire. Like, this is fire. Like, if you're not loving this, like, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is fire. So yeah, that's my review. If you're not the type of person to run your hands through your hair too often and you don't mind like the little kinks here and there, then you're fine. But other than that, like, this is really good. Like, it's really good. It has a whole lot of body. Whole lot of body, whole lot of curls. When you first get it, obviously, like, the curls are like OD, but you know, once you brush it out, it looks pretty good. See, So yeah, I would say this is really good, and the lace is transparent. So yeah. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you plan on buying it or anything. Write down in the comments below, anything like that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you are an R&B artist, a reggae artist, or any kind of artist, basically music wise, and you want your songs featured in my videos, don't hesitate to hit me up on Instagram, or you can hit me up on Facebook, anything like that. Hit me up, do not hesitate. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
Give me a call if you wanna come roll with me.